Hi, my name is Joan. I'm an instructor at Artuta. At Artuta, we start with this prompt, and we really approach this from the standpoint of making art. We treat the students as artists, and our role is to help students, even young students, 4 years old, 5 years old, start thinking about what they're doing, looking at the relationships, looking at the colors, asking questions. Even if it's something simple like, what was your favorite color that you used today?
Green and purple and black.
Or what do you think you're going to work on the rest of the week? It makes what the students are doing an artistic practice. That's what's different about what we do at Artuta. We're really focusing on art making. Children possess a natural potential for creativity, which gets numbed over time as we age, as we're expected to follow the rules, color inside the lines. You're supposed to color inside the lines. At Artuta, we say color outside of the lines. Color on the back of the paper. Fold the paper, crumple it up, throw it away. Kosuke and I are artists. We're trained artists. We're working professional artists. And so we approach this from the standpoint of, what is art? What is art? It depends on your mind. It depends on your mind saying this is art. And I think that can be a little tough for parents to wrap their head around sometimes, because there is this convention in children's art education that a child should make a project, and that project should have followed the rules. But really, in 2022, that's not how art operates. People don't follow the rules. We've gone beyond that in the art world. So why hasn't art education evolved the same way?
So I'm just making like little bunny doodles. Mountain I made too.
So we're really here just to guide students with these prompts, with these special materials, with the Artuta Fun Pack, with a little bit of guidance. We have the final product, we have the result, the art piece, but it's really about, what was the process? What did you learn? What did you observe? What do you think you want to do?
I guess I'm gonna do my minion.
Okay. Do you have an idea of what the scene is going to be like, or what techniques you might use?
Minions Gettysburg's War.
Cool. It's really about the creative mentality, and you can take that creative mentality with you no matter what you end up pursuing in your life.
I just drew like a creature in the desert.
Oh, wow,
and
nice.
There, so that's why I drew the sun.
Problem solving. Artists are problem solvers. We're inquisitive, we're responsive, we respond to the world. So it's really about tapping into that mentality and that creative potential that we all possess, even non-artists, people who don't identify as artists. What colors did you use?
Pink and green and purple and black.
Great. And what shapes did you use?
Circle.
Yeah.
And stars and rectangle. And this is so big rectangle. This is so little rectangle. This is circle. This is rectangle. This is square. And this is.
And I think that's what's so important about the period for reflection at the end of class, where we look at our work, and the Artuta gallery, where we can post everyone's work and you can see the work from the 6 weeks and start seeing patterns. And it's through that period of reflection that you actually learn about yourself. For example, maybe you don't realize you always color with one pen. You don't think about it because you always just reach for that pen because you like it. But when you see suddenly 20 different drawings all with this one pen, you think, oh, I'm making a monochromatic drawing. That's what I'm into right now. Or maybe on that basis you think, maybe I'm going to start incorporating more colors into my drawings. But if you don't really give yourself that time and space and community that allows you to reflect on the work that you're making, then you might not really make those connections as easily.
And feel free to use your imagination. It doesn't have to look exactly like the animal.
Kosuke and I really like to encourage students to not think about their artwork in terms of right or wrong, just that it's an exploration and you can change your mind, you can erase it, you can put tape over it, you can tear a part off that you don't like or transform it into something you do like. So I was inspired by your love of bottles, but then partway through, I decided to make it into like a monster elephant. So it's a monster elephant model. We're both so inspired by our students and how open-minded they are. And it reminds me, oh yeah, I don't have to have a particular outcome. The relationship an artist has with their work is personal and it's precious and it's evolving. And I would encourage parents to give their children the space they need to allow this growth to happen. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to change your mind. It's a safe space for creativity.